Do you own a crystal ball? No? Well, it's useless anyway. To predict the future, just read the present carefully. The trend is clear. In the working world, we are being increasingly freed from permanent positions, free to pursue new professional opportunities. At NeoLife, this has been the case since 1958. Here we are not employees, but entrepreneurs with dreams and goals, who have launched their own startups in the wellness market with zero risk. All this with the guarantee of the highest quality products, developed by world-renowned scientists. Well, NeoLife is looking for people who want to achieve financial freedom, to live the life they have always wanted. Do you also want to improve your life? A solid international reality and an ever-growing market, wellness are awaiting for you. You will receive all the support you need. Training, a qualified team by your side, digital marketing tools and more. Icing on the cake. An easy and intuitive personal e-commerce ready to use with no computer skills required. All without fixed working hours. You will enjoy total freedom and you will get to decide, in complete harmony with your schedule, whether to devote yourself part-time or full-time. NeoLife, your future starts now.